Oh, there's a fire in the tower. Hello, we have a fire. We need help.
Okay, I'm coming. No. We'll have to hurry.
The ladder is too high. I can't make it. Hello, we have a fire. Please hurry up.
Okay, I'm coming.
Be careful.
Do you want to see the magic?
Is it dangerous?
It will be fun. Come on. All right then. You said it would be fun.
Never trust a villain. What's wrong? Why are you small?
I got scammed.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Did he shrink you too? I'll arrest you and you have to fix it.
But we have got the box. Go away.
You will be like before. Woohoo! It's finally back.
I missed you so much.
Thank you for your help.
Hi. Welcome to the mountain climbing competition. Today we are looking for real heroes who are ready to conquer the highest peak. Good luck to all participants. Start. Oh no! Oh no, I can't stop. I'm sure I can take it to the top. Oh no, it's not possible. My wheels don't have a problem with this mountain. Look how easy I'm climbing. Ah, it's slippery. Ah, ouch. I can't believe I didn't make it. It's all about speed and maneuverability. I did it! Oh! I did it! You are under arrest. Where are you going? Stop! Stop! Copperfield coming to you. Catch me. I will be on the other street. Lucas, get ahead of him. Stop! Stop! Ah! Losers! Ha 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 ha! Copperfield, are you okay? Lucas, he turned it onto the bridge. Losers! I'm going after him. You got nowhere to go. Stop! He has nowhere else to go. I got a present to you. He's locked up. Get that tank. Ah. Ah.
Freeze!
That tank blew up the bridge. Repeat. That tank blew up the bridge. Copperfield, watch out! Aidan, are you okay? Good job, tank. Ah, monster truck, help! Help!
I'm here. I made it, Copperfield. You are under arrest. Freeze!
Oh no, no. Lucas, you got them.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, my friend, that's right.
Let's do this.
We are gonna need some help. Hey, stop! Who are you? Let's hurry up before the police come. Hurry up, hurry up! Yeehaw! We did it, friends!
What happened here?
I was attacked and robbed.
Friend, there is a problem. You know what to do. We have to catch them before they get away. They are here, speed up! Stop before it's too late.